2025 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. This truck delivers style and convenience as well as performance. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated side view mirrors, running boards and/or side steps, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.